Valentine's Day is the perfect opportunity to show your love and appreciation for that special someone in your life. Glowing roses are a modern twist on the traditional flower gift. They can change color on demand and offer a soft, warm, and romantic glow that adds an extra touch of magic to that already special occasion. They also are a wonderful decoration to add a touch of ambience to the room for your romantic dinner. Whether you are celebrating your first Valentine's Day together or your 50th, glowing roses are a thoughtful and memorable gift that will be appreciated for years to come. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft glowing roses to impress your loved one. For this project, we need paper roses made from white paper and colored LEDs. If you want to learn how to craft paper roses, please check out my tutorial in the link at the upper right corner of this video. The paper roses have pockets within, and we can take advantage of this and stuff LED lights inside. We need to open up the 4 triangular tabs at the bottom of the rose. Make sure the pocket is large enough to house whatever LED you are putting in. My roses were crafted from a 260mm square paper. They have square pockets with roughly 48mm in length and roughly 34mm in depth. For your convenience, I have derived the relationships between the square paper for crafting the rose and the dimensions of the pocket. The LEDs I have are 37mm in diameter and 22mm tall. They fit inside my roses nicely. After dropping the LED in, we just need to refold the 4 triangular tabs at the bottom of the rose. The rose is now ready to glow and surprise your loved one. This is it. Project complete. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Feel free to check out my other elegant projects assisted with engineered drawings. See you next time.